Good evening, excuse me. I'd like to ask for direction to Taman Bersemi. Do you know the way? Oh, Taman Bersemi, of course. There are a few ways to get there depending on what transportation you're using. Do you have your own vehicle or would you like to use local transportation? I don't have a car. What local transportation is available here? Here we have Angkot that pass through that area, or you can also take an ojek or a regular taxi. Angkot is usually more affordable. If I take an angkot, which number goes there? You can take the light blue angkot. Usually it's a Bontang Lestari to Tanjung Laut on it. You can catch it at the bus stop over there. Okay, and after I get on the angkot, where do I get off? You'll get off after you pass the Al Hijrah Grand Mosque. After the mosque is not far, about 500 meters, and you'll see a big sign that says Taman Bersemi on the left on the side of road. So from here I go straight to the bus stop, take the light blue angkot toward Bontang Lestari to Tanjung Laut, then get off after the Grand Mosque, and Taman Bersemi is on the left. Exactly, it's not too far from the Grand Mosque. You can walk a bit if you like, about 5 to 10 minutes. Taman Bersemi is also near the tourism office. Oh, near the tourism office, right? Okay, thank you very much for the direction. You're welcome. Enjoy your time at Taman Bersemi. If you have any other question, don't hesitate to ask. Alright, thank you again. Good evening. Good evening. Hi there. Planning to travel between cities? Yes, I am. I'm looking to go from Bontang to Samarinda. What are the intercity transportation options available? For traveling between cities like Bontang and Samarinda, the main options are usually intercity buses or private car rental. Sometimes people also consider smaller travel vans. Okay, tell me more about the buses. Intercity buses are quite common and generally the most affordable option from Bontang to Samarinda. A one-way ticket may cost around 80k to 120k depending on the bus company and the class of service. There are several departures throughout the day. The journey usually takes about 3 to 4 hours depending on traffic. That sounds reasonable. What are the advantages of taking a bus? The main advantage is the cost effectiveness. It's definitely the cheapest way to travel between the cities. Also, buses are quite frequent. What about renting a car? Renting a car gives you more flexibility and privacy. You can set your own schedule and stop wherever you like. However, it will be significantly more expensive. You would have the rental fee plus the cost of fuel. A daily rental may start from around 300k, not including fuel. The travel time would be similar to the bus, but you're in control. So, bus is cheaper but less flexible, and renting a car is more flexible but more expensive. Are there any other option? Sometimes there are smaller travel vans or travels that operate between cities. This can offer a middle ground in terms of price and comfort. They usually pick you up and drop you off at specific point. The price may be a bit higher than a bus, but potentially more convenient. You'd need to inquire locally about their schedules and prices. That's good to know. Thanks for the information. You're welcome. Which option you leaning towards? I think I'll probably take a bus for now, given the cost. Great choice. You can usually book tickets at the local bus terminal. Let me know if you have any other question.